This is my what on earth are you building project. You don't see this made out of white oak and red cedar every day. Like every freestyle project, the further you get along, the more ideas you come up with. I'm gonna run one of these on all 6 posts. Guess what? That is the perfect place for it. So I'm gonna drill and put some of those in there. This is kind of an afterthought. I cut these to fit in here to help support this. This is going to be over-engineered, but it is going to be bad to the bone, I'm telling you. Stick around.
Yet another after-the-fact upgrade.
Hit the like button. It's supposed to help. I believe it does. And subscribe. We got a lot more building to do. Stick around.